Hello and welcome to Math 252 Calculus 2 here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video we're going to do checkpoint 5.1 from section 5.1. They want us to find an explicit formula for the nth term of the sequence, and it starts off as 1/5 and then it goes to negative 1/7 and then goes back to positive 1/9 and negative 1/11, etc. So two things to notice. One, we're switching back from positive to negative, and it starts off with a positive 1 or positive side, and so your nth term would probably look like, let's call it a sub n, and that is going to look like 1 or negative 1 to the nth power. And we have to make sure that n would start at a positive, so having n is equal to 0 would be a good start. And then now if n is equal to 0, you want your denominator to be, well, first of all, our denominators are all odd. So usually the odd numbers are going to be described as 2n plus 1. But our first number, or our first n, is going to be 0. And so clearly when we put 0 in here, we're going to get 1. So I think we're going to want to change this 1 into a 5 because you want that to be your first denominator. So it's going to be 2n plus 5. And what we can do is we can check a few terms. Like when n is equal to 0, we're going to get positive and 1 over 0 plus 5, so 1/5. So that's the first one. When n is equal to 1, we're going to get negative 1 to the first power, which is negative 1. And then we're going to get 1 divided by 2 times 1. That's 2 plus 5 is 7. So that's the next one. And then we can check the rest of these things, and we'll see that it'll follow this pattern. So this is our nth term. All right, I hope that helps.